Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out if a particular product is available at a nearby store on the Mango application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the search button down below and select a category. After that, you should tap on the product that you are interested in. Scroll down and tap on store availability. Tap on search in store, and as you can see, it says that this item is not currently available in the selected store. You can select the store by tapping on the profile button down below in the right side corner, then click on the stores button. Type in the name of the town that you live in. Tap on the relevant store from these results, and after that you will be able to search among these details, or among the store availability options. So just tap on it and you will be able to check it out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.